So we're here, we got the spot. I need to start building, so let's do it. I'm gonna switch it to time lapse. Hey guys, so here it is, fully built. Sorry I didn't show you guys the video of me building the whole thing. It got dark pretty quick, so I couldn't really record. Anyways, you wouldn't have been able to see it. But here it is, fully finished. We're already like a week into camp. Just thought I'd make this video a bit later. Here's my redneck wood stove, works perfect. Alright, there's nothing much outside of the camp, but let's go inside. Got the wood pile. The wood stove. You got shit to dry your clothes. My enclosed trailer. Got a little table here to do whatever. Got a light, a really nice bright light up there, and back here we got our shower. We got the big water tank with power pack and propane. Here's like our floor. Works pretty good, hot water on demand. And built myself a step before I came camping, but it's pretty nice. I got my bed. Chargers. It's like a big nightstand. It's pretty nice. Got the ice maker and the heater, speaker, iPad, Keurig. So yeah. So a few tips on what I should do next year. So the tarp is 9.5 feet and my studs are 10 feet. So if I cut that in like a half a foot, I'll be able to staple the tarp to the frame up there, and it'll be more sealed for next year if I do build this again. So my first idea was to run rope. That was gonna be my roof, but it didn't work out. I got a shitload of water in here the other day. It rained like insanely hard, so that did not hold up. So I put 4 braces, so the angles like that, and in the middle of each whatever 2x4s, I put a hole in the back just so I know it's gonna accumulate, and it's just gonna leak in the back of the enclosed trailer anyways, so it doesn't really affect me. So yeah, anyways, I think that's all there is to it. Yeah, anyways,